As students are departing for their spring abroad programs, others are finally returning home from winter term travels. But it didn't come without struggle. One student says she experienced inconsistent communication when it was the most essential to her. Our Jenna Mandarioli has the story.
It felt in the moment like no one had a plan. And in my head, I was like, we've been in a pandemic for 2 years now, at least. There should have already been a plan in place if this happened.
Senior Claire Greider was enjoying her final winter term studying abroad in Florence until she tested positive for COVID-19. With less than a week left in the program, she and other cohort members were rushed into quarantine housing.
I was very close to moving out of the apartment we were in because of just the condition that it was. It was really small and really dirty. I also knew the second that I moved out of the school's housing that the school would probably not reach out to me at all anymore.
Greider said she felt disconnected from her experience the minute she entered the hotel, and even though her professors were helpful, she and other students couldn't help but feel left behind. The lack of organization and communication from Elon and the program caused her more stress. GEC spokeswoman Shanna Van Beek wrote in an email to ELNM saying safety and well-being were the first priorities for taking care of any student who tested positive. For programs affected by students delayed in returning, the GEC also emailed program updates to students and their emergency contacts, in addition to daily updates to all winter term programs.
I really felt like I was forgotten by the school, and I would say I hope that in the future, I hope that this spring term they really, with students testing positive, like Global takes the initiative to email maybe more, to reach out more.
Greider says she understands that the logistics of the program were being handled, but she and others would have appreciated more communication at a personal level. She says she was thankful to return in time for the spring semester. Jenna Mandarioli, ELN Morning.
The GEC is hosting support sessions for students who need help understanding the insurance claims process. The next session is February 9th. Students can register on the International Health Insurance page on the GEC website. That link can be found on our website, elonnewsnetwork.com.